Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are working on an absolutely gorgeous 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. This thing is so beautiful. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Just, I mean, I love it. And it's my favorite color too, so. So we're just doing some basic maintenance on it today. It needs a new cold start injector. So we have that with the new gasket. The old one, as you can tell, was leaking and causing it an issue. So we'll get that taken care of, get the new one in. And we're also doing a fuel pressure regulator and a fuel filter, just because it's time for it. And we'll get everybody taken care of and make it all nice and pretty again. But, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you on the next round. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What do we say, Brainsy?
Boys and girls, welcome to the Freak Show.
Right? So, it's on. Do me a favor, since we haven't started it yet, start it up for me real quick. Beautiful. That's cool, thank you, sir. No leaks. So that was definitely one of the issues with the fuel, and it's rough starting. Now it starts right up. It's beautiful. Yeah, dude, it's that's it. This thing's beautiful.
Yeah.
And where are we at? 62,600 and almost 44.
That's beautiful.
Oh, dude, this car's stunning. It's a really, really nice example of this car.
If it was a little bit longer, I might be able
Well, Nick, I don't know if you're aware.
I'm just kidding.
Me.
You want to borrow my sweatshirt?
Right?
You might be swimming.
Right? So that's fixed, taken care of. So now it's going to go up on the lift, and we will give it the once over underneath and video for where it's going to. And we'll see you guys on the underside.